So I was actually born in Mexico and then migrated here to the United States when I was 4. Basically my whole family is in the wine industry, so that's always been a major part of my life. My dad, when he came here, he was a laborer. And then slowly, through hard work and dedication, he started getting promotions. Now he's a supervisor. He's doing well. I see how far he has come and all the doors he has opened just through hard work and with having little or no education. If you have an education and you're willing to work hard, you could get really far in life. You could achieve so much. Being at a facility like the one here in the Viticulture and Enology Department, it's just so beneficial for us as students. We get a well-rounded education. We get courses in winemaking, we get courses in how to be a vineyard manager. We learn the whole process. Professors, staff, other students. Everyone's just so nice, they're so welcoming, they're so willing to help. Everyone's just here for you and here to make the journey easier for you. Getting some hands-on work and experience in my major. So I've had courses here in the winery, I've had courses out in the vineyard, and then the professors there, they're just amazing. They know what they're doing. I knew I came to the right school.